Alright, welcome back to another duet video. We're going to be doing a reality versus expectation video, and this one is for yoga poses. We're a little bit athletic here, you know, we work out sometimes here and there. And so we just thought we would make another fun video and see how it goes. We've got the youngin' over here who's picking out poses for us. So I'll pop up the picture of what pose each one we're doing that it's supposed to look like versus what we're actually doing. And we'll see how well we do. Alright, here we go.
Really? Okay. That's like master yoga.
I don't know. Do you want to do the downward dog?
I'll do the downward dog.
Okay.
Booty in the air.
Should I be back or
Further back?
No, I think this is fine.
Okay. And my hands. Wait, what? So you're. Wait,
back.
let me see where your hands. Okay, I'm gonna try my best.
Go.
Alright, hold
You
on.
better control yourself.
I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna use the wall. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Hold on.
Oh.
No, you good? Yeah, like that. Okay, you good?
Desiree, let me help you.
Okay, help me. Because I'm supposed to be right here with my hands.
Okay.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
So your feet need to be here.
Okay.
And Desiree, you're not supposed to be that close. Your
Yeah, I
your
know.
hands
Her
are-
hands is right next to. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Alright, hold on.
You need help again?
Alright.
Desiree, you're still too close.
No, I'm not. Look at her hands. They're right by his hands.
Okay.
I'm alright. Okay, jeez. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Angry.
Oh god. I need to get down. Oh gosh. Ow, my eyebrow.
There you go.
Oh.
Okay, you ready for your next
Oh
one?
my gosh.
Jeez, I'm getting hot.
I know. Okay. Which arm first? This arm first?
Yeah.
This arm? Oh gosh. Alright. We're gonna walk down here. Wait. Wait.
Oh, I think we gotta use each other's back support.
Ooh.
Where are we at?
Are we doing
Oh,
it?
yeah, we're doing it. We doing it.
Hey.
One leg.
No!
No, you do the opposite leg.
Wait,
Do
what leg are you
You're
doing?
doing your right leg.
Oh god. Same leg, right?
Yeah, you're right. Wait, that's where your back is in. What are you doing? I need you to grow a little bit. It feels weird. Okay. Go. Walk down, walk down, walk down.
I'm not even walking down.
Oh,
you
ready?
walking, I'm just squatting.
Set, leg, lift, go. Yeah! That was a massive fail.
Alright, what's
Well,
next?
actually, we did that one pretty good.
Let me do it. High five for that. Boom.
Boom. Okay, well, that obviously wasn't a challenge, so here you go.
That was a challenge, actually. Oh, God. Do you want to... Okay, never mind. You ready?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes. Where? Go. Wait.
Desiree, what are you doing?
Oh.
Oh, yes. Yes, girl. Push up. One. That was actually good.
Hey, we did that.
We did that. You didn't
got
get
this.
us?
We got this.
Oh, you got us in the...
Oh, I got it for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, then it's you.
It's me?
Yeah. Oh, gosh.
Oh, my gosh.
Come on. Okay.
Put your... Oh, never mind. Wait, you gotta put your feet like right
on
here.
my butt. Yeah.
Right, like, no, you gotta hug her hips with your feet. Oh
Wait.
my gosh.
Wait, is this even right?
Yeah, that's. Well,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that's not right, but.
Oh no! Why are
Okay,
you
get
socks
down, Lyra.
on or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, Lyra.
Me?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, Lyra. Alright, you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, I'm supposed to be on your butt. Okay.
Come on now.
Hey!
What are you doing still on me? This is going to be interesting. Okay.
Alright. How do the arms go?
Something like this. I can't get them straight.
I can't get them all the way around either. And then you gotta.
And then strong leg. I can't do it. She's like so flush with the side of her leg.
Then maybe you should sit first.
Squat. And there you go. You look like a swan.
What?
Squat. And then
Squat.
Timber. Okay, hold on. Try one more
I
time.
did it.
I didn't do it. Oh god.
Desiree,
what happened? I'm blowing in the wind.
Wait, let's see the side
Okay.
profile.
Okay.
Wait, I gotta squat. But she's like this, isn't she?
Yeah, but her hands are supposed to be touching. You got it? You got it? Bend your feet. Knees together.
put your legs
Wait.
on more.
I'm trying. Don't go up. Are you okay? Arch.
Arch it?
So that your knees can be here.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, arch your back. And then bend your knees. Bring them forward. And arch your back.
Oh, I can't!
You got it! You got it! Wait, why do you stick your butt?
I don't know! You're saying arch, I can
No,
barely...
you did. You were doing
Okay,
it, and
okay.
then you went like something.
Yeah,
I don't know what you
she's
did.
Okay.
Bend at those hips.
An arch.
I'm trying. No, you're good.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, Desiree, your turn.
Go, let go. Hey!
Hey!
Okay. You can break me. You can. You can't say you can't. Positive thinking. Pray.
Okay, Jamie. Why are you laughing?
You look like what are those swimmers called? No.
Synchronized.
Synchronized swimmer, yeah. So you getting there? You need some assistance? Oh. You can have a sore head tomorrow.
You do way better than me. I give up.
Somersault.
Jeez.
At least you eased into the somersault.
My goodness. Come on. Use those stomach muscles.
I know how to do it. I have to go like this first.
Fail. Can't be laughing at me already.
Okay, stop. Oh, okay. Okay. You did, but your feet had to be more
That-
forward.
Yeah, your feet were up. No.
Concentrate.
Oh.
Stop. Okay.
Oh, see, yeah, you just had to hold the pose. Hold.
That I've been working on. Wait.
It was like a real quick pause. Like, she got it. No.
Outro on the floor.
Outro on the floor.
Are you joining the outro, Ira? No?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
Kimchi.
One more. What's that?
Negative. Why? That actually looks really easy.
You
That's
think
what
so?
you could be. Let me see it, Larry.
Okay.
Toe to toe.
And hip.
Larry.
Wait. Oh my god.
Woo! Jeez. Oh, this is actually, it
Wait.
feels good. Is that it?
Yeah. But Lyra's not even in the camera. Oh my gosh.
And handstand.
Whoa. Alright.
Okay, anytime now.
Yeah, get down, girl. What you doing?
Come on, Lyra.
Roll out.
Roll out. Peace out. Alright, guys. So that was the video. I hope you had as much fun watching it as we did making it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Leave comments on what other videos or types of videos you would like to see. Whether just me, with us, the trio, whatever. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.